Ashleigh. I'm a neuroscience PhD student at the University of Glasgow, and I'm studying the genetic and environmental risk factors for schizophrenia. I'd done my undergraduate here at Glasgow and I did psychology, and I really enjoyed that, but I wasn't quite sure whether a clinical career in psychology would be for me, and so I'd done then an MRes in brain sciences, which was a Masters of Research, where I got some experience in a wet lab. So I was growing cells and I was doing a lot of in vitro molecular stuff, and I really loved that type of neuroscience, and I loved the environment of Glasgow because it was really supportive, and the research environment here is really nourishing because there's so many different types of supervisors and expertise, and so I kind of found my perfect supervisory team and decided to do a PhD here in Glasgow. I love the music scene because I really love live music, and I love kind of like experimental music and new stuff, and there's always loads of gigs on pretty much any night of the week. You can go into somewhere in town or somewhere in the West End, wherever you are, and just see a really good band, so that's a really good thing about the city. Obviously first you need to know you want to do a PhD, but for Glasgow particularly, it's really easy to just go and meet the academics that you want to work with, and so I think that's a really big part of getting to know exactly what you want to do. So if you can just email people really freely at Glasgow, and they'll generally respond to you really kindly, so I would say just you can come in and meet them, and you get to see the labs and where you'd be working and see a bit of the institute, so that's a good bit of advice, I suppose.